Hello everyone. Usually parents ask me which type of phonics do you teach, ma'am? Which is the approach to your phonics? I say it's a Jolly Phonics approach for my synthetic phonics. Hi, I'm Tanvi from Young Roots. Today I'm going to tell you about synthetic phonics and the approach of Jolly Phonics towards synthetic phonics. If you have still not subscribed my channel, I request you to all subscribe my channel because it really helps and motivates me. Synthetic phonics is a bottom down approach. It starts with letter sounds. It makes your base so strong so that you can read words very easily. It starts with your 26 letter sounds A to Z, with each and letter sounds, with giving you each and every activity on the letter which you do. So once you know the letter sounds, you start blending two letter words like at. Yes, you blend those two letter words very easily. Once blending of two letter is done, you start with three letter words blending. R, a, p, rap. R, a, p, rap. Yes, you blend these three letter words easily. Once blending is also done, we also covers digraphs. There are two letters which make one sound. For example, A and I makes the A sound. So we cover the digraph also. In this, when you cover the digraphs, helping reading becomes very easy. So you break the words, you segment the words, big words, and then you read it very easily. Yes, so this is segmenting of your words. We also cover tricky words. Tricky words are the words which do not say the sound. It says its name. For example, me, he, she. So these all are your tricky words which says the name, not the sounds. So once you're done with your tricky words, and the levels keeps on increasing. Now you'll ask me which level goes for which age. I would suggest as early as you can start with phonics sounds. If your baby is just in a is a nursery or in playgroup, once you're teaching A to Z, why not teach it with the sounds? Once he knows the sound in nursery, blending becomes a cakewalk for the baby. So start early, start nice. So this is the one which when you can start. And what all is being taken care of in Jolly Phonics or in synthetic phonics? The writing is also being taken care of. Writing and reading goes hand in hand. So if the baby says apple, or A says a, he will also write the letter A by side, the uppercase and the lowercase. So writing is also being taken care in our phonics. And why this phonics is better, you would know that answer because you've already seen our previous video about embedded phonics, analogy phonics, and analytics phonics. Those phonics are your old method where some uses your word family, or some is your while reading, if the baby is stuck, then make them learn the new word. But why not make it very, very, very strong that any word be it, the baby can read it. So this is about your synthetic phonics. So take a right choice and start at the right age. Till then time, please subscribe our channel for more videos such like that. Bye.